So I am standing out at the beautiful Blooming Junction, and I'm here with Ron. And Ron, you have a really wonderful event happening today. Tell me what that is.
We do. It's our annual Harvest the Good Life Hoedown.
And by the name alone, it sounds like there's going to be a lot of fun and maybe even some dancing.
I'm sure dancing will break out, yes.
So what else going on?
Well, we have a live local band here. We're going to have some hard cider tasting and other adult beverages. We have a very popular food truck going to be here.
Nice. So, you know, the wonderful thing about this, though, is it's not like you're just here for a party. You're still open. You still have great produce. You have wonderful plants to pick up. And this amazing selection of brand new fountains.
Yes, we finally got into the fountain business.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, there you have it. So for more information on how you can make it out here and have a great hoedown fun day, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to Blooming Junction. Thanks so much, my friend.
Thank you.